As we build out our fiber network, you may see our trucks on your street or even in front of your home. If you haven't scheduled an install, we're probably there to access the utility easements on the edges of your property. Utility easements are areas of land designated for infrastructure, like power lines, water pipes, gas lines, and fiber optic cables. This allows companies to build or improve critical infrastructure without having to get permission from every landowner in town. Once construction begins in your neighborhood, you will notice a series of colorful flags or temporary paint indicating the location of existing utilities in your yard, so our crews know where to dig. Utility easements typically run alongside roads in readily accessible areas. While we may seem to be in your front, side, or backyard, we only dig in the areas legally designated for infrastructure. In some cases, we may need you to unlock fences or secure pets so our teams can work safely. Rest assured, we respect your property and promise to exercise caution in all areas of your yard. Thank you for your patience as we work to connect our community with fiber internet. If you have any questions, see something that needs our attention, or want to sign up for service, please call or visit our website today.